Welcome to Auburn, Indiana. This residence offers 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms and tons of living space. Upon entering, you're greeted by a welcoming foyer that leads you into the main living area. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances and offers plenty of counter and cabinet space, catering to both cooking enthusiasts and those who enjoy entertaining. Adjacent to the kitchen is a dining area suitable for family meals or formal gatherings. The living room features a cozy fireplace and floor-to-ceiling windows, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Large windows throughout the main level allow natural light to fill the space, highlighting the home's interior features. The primary bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom for private retreat. Ascending the open staircase from the main floor, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. The layout offers ample space for family members or guests, ensuring privacy and convenience. The full bathroom on this level is easily accessible to all 3 bedrooms, enhancing the home's practicality. In the full daylight basement, you're greeted by a generous family room, ideal for entertainment. Beyond the main living area, the basement offers 2 substantial storage rooms. Additionally, there's a screened-in room that provides a seamless transition to the property's outdoor amenities. From here, you can access the impressive in-ground pool, an open deck adorned with a pergola, and a fenced-in yard, which will have you dreaming of warmer weather and be waiting for you to enjoy all summer long. Your dream home is waiting. Take the next step and call Linda Carper to turn it into a reality.